guys, let's consider the problem on the board. This is based on WAEC 2015, question 29. It says an example of an acid salt is, we are provided with options A to D. A is called sodium ethanoate, B is magnesium hydroxide chloride, C is sodium hydrogen sulfate, and then D is ammonium sulfate. Now, one of these represents an acid salt. How do we identify it? It takes a good knowledge of the topic acid, bases, and salt to figure this out. Let us consider an acid. An acid is a substance that produces hydrogen ion as the only positive ion when dissolved in water. Now, looking at this, the first option, like I said, is known as sodium ethanoate. This is a salt that is obtained from a weak acid, ethanoic acid. So this option A is not an acid salt. An acid salt will always have a trace of the hydrogen ion. That makes it an acid. Now looking at the second option, this is called magnesium hydroxide chloride. It is having an OH. An OH has to do with basicity. So this automatically is not the option. This is known as a basic salt because of the OH that is present. So this is a basic salt. The third option, NaHSO4, is said to be the correct answer. Why? It is having traces of the hydrogen, the element hydrogen, so it simply means that the salt still contains components or constituents of an acid. That is what makes it acidic in nature, the presence of the H. So sodium hydrogen sulfate, because of the presence of the H, makes it an acid salt. That means there is still traces of acid in the salt. Ammonium sulfate is not the answer. This is a normal salt. A normal salt, ammonium sulfate. So looking at all of this, a way in identifying an acid salt is this: it must have the trace of hydrogen ion or hydrogen present in it, otherwise it is not an acid salt. So option C is our answer. I'm sure we got value from this video. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share my videos for more persons to see. See you for more problems. Bye for now.